How to buy Beautikini high waist bikini set online. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll show you how you can purchase the high waist bikini set online. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, I just want to say that there is a link in the description below, so make sure you check that link out, and there will also be some discount codes and promo codes that you can apply. There will also be some discount codes and promo codes that you can apply when shopping online. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to come over here onto the website, and you'll find the link in the description below, and then you can just simply come over here, shop all. Here you can see we got all these different options available. You can go with the kids, regular swimwear, shaping swimwear, men's underwear, all these stuff, right? And scroll down below, you'll find the high-waisted over here, right? So we just simply click on it, and here you can see how much it costs. You've got different colors, got different sizes, and then all you got to do is just simply go ahead and click on add to cart, or just simply click on more payment options, right? And then here you will find the discount codes option right here. You can just simply go ahead and apply the discount codes, which you can find in the description below. So make sure you check those out, and once you've applied them, you'll get a heavy discount and save a bunch of money. So it's pretty cool. And then you can just simply go ahead and fill out this form and purchase it. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can buy Beautikini high-waisted bikini set online. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.